Hello and welcome back to Eagles FS. This is threat recap on XAUUSD gold. So in this video, I walk you through how I took this trade on gold, what I saw, the reason behind taking this trade. So I'll be looking forward to hear from your opinion. If you like me to be dropping this type of video every week after taking trades, okay? So in my previous video, my weekly outlook video, I said that gold is pushing to this zone. Go and watch that video if you have not watched that video. Gold is pushing to this zone, okay? And they also made mention that when gold come to this zone, we should buy after confirmation. But what happened is that I was monitoring this gold on 1 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. This is 4 hour time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. I was monitoring gold on a 1 hour time frame when gold was doing lower low, lower high from this zone. You can see it. This is lower low and this lower high. So I expected this gold to trade inside this area before breaking above this lower high, but gold never did that. Rather, gold break from this zone and continue. So that was the reason I missed this entry. So since then, I was monitoring gold to see if I will see any pullback, okay, on a lower time frame. What do I mean by pullback? A bearish structure on a lower time frame. If I see a bearish structure on a lower time frame, I will wait for that bearish structure to end. Immediately bullish structure starts, I will join the movement for a buy. Okay, so that was what I was waiting for a gold to happen. So I now scaled down to 15 minutes. I scaled down to 15 minutes. So this 15 minutes time frame. This price action was at this zone. It was at this zone. Yes. When I start observing this. So what do I observe? Gold was doing, this is 15 minutes time frame. It was doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Supposed to put up a higher high for continuation. He didn't do that. Rather, he put up this high here, this low here. It's a lower high. After putting this lower high, gold put up a lower low, breaking breaking this zone, breaking this higher low. So when gold break this higher low, it signifies that 15 minutes is bearish. Okay, so I continue waiting. I continue monitoring this pair. Let me show you next thing that happened. Let's move a bit. I say fine. If this bearish structure on 15 minutes will continue, that I need to see another thing, which is it has put up a lower low. I need to see a lower high somewhere here. I need to see a lower high and another lower low for this bearish presence to continue. Rather, gold didn't do that. Let me show you what happened. Gold move up and break above here. The lower high, gold break it above. You can see it. Gold break above this zone. Immediately gold break above this zone. Okay. I now say that the bullish presence is returning. For gold to break this lower high, I will looking for a buy this zone. So what do? You look at this candle. For those of you that trade SM, this candle, this you see this green candle, this candle is called breaker block. Okay, this is bearish breaker block. So I draw my zone using that breaker block. I draw my zone. Let me show you. I'll be showing you gradually so that you will take this trade in future. Because if you continue taking your trades like this, you never lose trades. Okay. And what candle break above you? See the candle that breaks above that zone. Let me show you. This is the candle that breaks above this zone. This green candle. Are you seeing it? This is the candle that breaks above this zone. So I put my pending order at the middle of this green candle around 26.50, 35. That was the area that I put my pending order. So I said that when price come back to that zone, it will trigger me in. So let's move ahead and see what happened. So price came to this zone, this price, it never triggered me in. So we'll continue moving. Let me extend this thing. So this price came, it didn't trigger me in. I was still watching the price. It came here, it didn't trigger me in. I wasn't in a rush to join the movement. I kept monitoring it. Okay. And boom, at this zone was where price took me in. My order became active at this zone. So immediately price took me in here. I put my take profit at this zone. Let me show you. I put my take profit at this zone. This is immediate high on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, you can see it 158 pips. That's my reward, and my risk is 57 pips. That is 1:3. My risk reward is what? 1:3. Okay, so now how do I choose? Why do I choose this my take profit here? Because this is the next high on 15 minutes time frame. And why do I choose my stop loss here? Let me show you. Let's go to 50. Let's go to 1 hour. Let me show you something. Something that I see in 1 hour. This thing I'm showing you is what took me years to learn. It's out of experience that I know all these things. Now look at this price action. So when this is that lower low in 15 minutes. When this price came down to this zone, you notice that it created a pin bar, and there's a green engulfing candle. This green candle that engulf how many candles? Engulf two red candles. This red candle and this red candle. Okay. So in a normal price action, the second green candle that formed, this green candle, supposed to at least come back to this zone and test this red candle. You see where my cursor is now? That is normal price action. Thereby filling that gap. But that didn't happen. So price moves up. So when price moves up, it created this gap. They call it fair value gap. Okay. So when I see these things, I know that price will definitely come down to this zone, this point, to kiss it and start moving up. So that's the reason I now put my stop loss below this zone. Because if I put it below here, my stop loss will be bigger than my profit, than my reward. So that's the reason I put my stop loss at this zone. And you can see how I make this sweet 1:3 returns on my trade. So if you like what you see in this video, kindly drop it in the comment section if you would like me to be showing you this type of videos, creating this type of content. Okay, if you are new to my channel, kindly do what? Subscribe to my channel. Share this video so that you go to other people who need this type of things. Okay, then I have my free Telegram channel where I drop my signals every now and then. Okay, I drop 1 or 2 signals every week, because make sure that you take the best signals. So I would like to stop here and hear from you. Drop your opinion in my comment section. This is Hugo FS signing out. See you in my next episode.